Hi there, I'm Melody from WTI. This is totally cool. Watch all the fun things that I could do with this mask from Gootus. So it's got this really cool app, and as you can see, I've been able to add my name here in the text. When you click the text, then you can change the different colors that it's going to be. Then down here is different things you can add to it. You can take off any kind of extras, change the direction, you can make it go slower. So with just the movement of the hand, you can change the face that comes up on the mask. You can do so with the little button on top, but you can just do it like this as well. Now this isn't all there is. Watch this. The adjustable strap at the back lets anyone playing with this mask have hours of fun. So with this app, there is so much that you can do. It's like really cool. You choose your all your pictures that are on your library and your gallery. You can even DIY, so you could take some pictures of yourself and put them on there. You go back to your main menu and then you switch it up. You go to the music, and depending on the music that you choose, it'll play whatever you have in there. It'll even record your own voice. So you press this button up here, and it's got the microphone rhythm according to what I say. So if you're looking to have a little something different for a little more fun, I suggest this mask. There's constantly new things that I'm finding on here. It is so much fun for my family, and I know it'll be fun for yours. And that's my point of view.